daily life starts from simple things, from our thoughts, our words, and our action. We don't need a perfect life to be happy.
Maybe the condition you have to do like positive mindset is when you easy to give up. Like that's a negative mindset. Like you keep telling yourself like I cannot do this. This is too difficult for me. I don't want to do this. That's negative, and you will never get anywhere with that mindset.
Yeah, I feel you though. I feel a lot of impact that happened to my life after I implementing the positive daily life. Yeah. Personally, in the past, I always keep delaying my work until at the point I forgot to do my work. And yeah, and like teacher always like keep mad at me because I
Start to they tend to see others that live positively and don't care about environment if it's bad for them. They will maybe start to cope.
Hello everyone! We're back in the English Ambassadors podcast.
Podcast.
And now you're tuned with us with Evelyn and
Falda
from X2. Today we have a very special guest with us.
Yay! Okay, my name is Marcelo Federico, and I'm from X1.
And introduce me, my name is Gareth Federico. I am from S1 too.
Okay. So, how's life, guys?
For my life, it was not bad, but also it's not great. But I could say it was good. Like past 5 days of raining, I only get a problem which is just getting wet at home and at school. But there is no quite a big problem other than getting wet when I'm getting home. And I could say my life is just good in these past 5 days.
Okay, not good but not bad.
Yeah.
And and me, so what I've been doing this past few days is I like to go for an afternoon run and do schoolwork.
Okay. Back to the topic. Right now we're gonna talk about the thing called positive daily life, which maybe you do it often but don't talk about it much. So
The question is, what positive things have you guys have done in the past few days?
Me personally, I always eating vegetables, but I'm not eating something very healthy all days. Like one day eat junk food too, like fried chickens and pizza, but it was not every day too. I not often eating them. Like maybe in 3 days I eat once, and maybe that's all from me.
Okay, same as me too. I eat junk food maybe twice a week. What about you, Evelyn?
me, I think, yeah, I ate a lot of junk food though.
That's pretty bad.
I like junk food.
Oh.
Yeah.
What kind?
Okay. I think so because I've read a several positive example of daily life, such as getting up early, exercising, and developing a positive mindset.
Okay, so you say that you like exercising.
Yes.
What kind of exercise?
Running, basketball, futsal, yeah, something like that lah.
Oh, futsal. What position are you in the basketball team?
Center.
Oh,
Center.
center.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's kind of cool though. Okay, is there any impact do you guys feel after implementing positive daily life in your school life?
Mm, for me, I got closer with friends and I have more stamina. Like I no longer panting a lot in just a short run, and I could run that I could say much longer than before when I was a bit more fat than I'm right now, and I painting a lot less now. And what about you guys?
Same as me too.
Yeah, but for me, I think in this rainy day, I felt like I'm
Lazy, being
yeah,
lazy.
be lazy, but I feel I not easily get sick. Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, Marcelo, then what about you?
The impact I feel in school life is more enthusiastic about doing a schoolwork, and I'm more motivated studying.
Hmm. Okay. What is the reason that you should do positive daily life?
Even if you don't do it right now, like you eating junk food every day and you don't exercise, like you always bed rotting and don't even like move at home and never go out, it's okay, but you can exercise into future. But if you don't, it will impact very very bad at your adulthood, like your future. Like you will is easily panting a lot and struggle to live, and you always have back aches. And I trying to avoid that for my adulthood. And about you guys?
You first.
Okay. I think the reason why we should do positive daily life is, yeah, like I said before, like so we don't easily get sick
Yes.
in like weather like this. So, and
For me, maybe we become healthier than before. Like we do exercise once or twice weeks. What about you?
okay, for me, I think why we should do positive daily life, it's because so we don't easily get sick
Yes,
in like weather like this.
I
It's
agree.
rainy. Yeah.
Okay, so
Me, I think example of daily life such as getting up better and exercise and positive mindset maybe.
Is that all, or do you have
Yes.
any?
No, just
Okay, so positive mindset. Okay, what like a condition that you have to apply your positive mindset?
Maybe the condition you have to do like positive mindset is when you easy to give up. Like that's a negative mindset. Like you keep telling yourself like I cannot do this. This is too difficult for me. I don't want to do this. That's negative, and you will never get anywhere with that mindset.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So, what is the conditions for you too personally?
Me personally, when I overthinking about a trivial matters, yeah, I should do the positive mindset though.
me too. And the next is
I think I same with Gerald.
okay.
Is there any impact do you guys feel after implementing positive daily life in your life school?
The impact for my school life after I implementing positive daily life is maybe I have friends and I don't run away from my responsibility, and I am more active at group works like project and like that, reading like group. I'm active, getting active, unlike my past that I mostly just became a shadow member doing nothing but get grades. But in the school, after I implementing positive daily life, I getting more active at it. And for my responsibility, I start to like cleaning my house and doing my homework and something from school. And what about you guys?
Yeah, I feel you though. I feel a lot of impact that happened to my life after I implementing the positive daily life. Yeah.
What about you?
The impact I feel in school life is that I'm more enthusiastic about doing a schoolwork, and I'm more focused of studying.
Hmm,
Study.
study. Okay. So, what is the things that most often causes positive daily life to fail?
Something that caused my positive daily life to fail is maybe when I telling myself this is okay to do this for now, and when I do that, I maybe uh, continue it for some days, but I eventually implementing it again, positive daily life, and maybe I could say it was because of my mindset, like telling me it was okay to do this for now, and then I just unable to stop it until I finally want to start it again.
Oh. And how about you, Marcelo?
In my personal opinion, it laziness or lack of intention.
Hmm.
What is the impact of you avoiding positive daily life?
The impact of me avoiding positive daily life, maybe I will take example of me back then, and I could say I always chase distraction at my responsibility, and it making my responsibility that could done in just days. I finish it in 1 week while I can do it in maybe 2 or 3 days, and because of I everyday positive daily life at my junior high school times, and it making me hard to focus like now and study. I always wanting a distraction, but I'm currently trying to fix that so I could get higher grades, and um, teacher will not asking my works again. And about you guys?
For me, maybe I get not easy to get distracts from before. What about you?
For me personally, in the past, I always keep delaying my work until at the point I forgot to do my work. And yeah, and like teacher always like keep mad at me because I always forgetting my work. Yeah, and what about you, Marcelo?
I think a stable mindset and unhealthy body.
Okay. Okay, so last but not least, what is the impact if we don't live a positive daily life?
The impact, are you talking about everyone on earth or just we in this room?
Like we.
Uh,
Or maybe in this school, everyone is in this school.
so maybe the first I will going to the core. Maybe students will getting a lot of work that they can finish it in just a day, but it was piling, stacking, and it will taking a lot of work, a lot of time to finish it, and then students just got leisure to do it, and it will keep stacking, and uh, students will not get healthy, like uh, maybe they will get so skinny, and some of them will get really fat, and that's not good for health, but because as you said, they are avoiding positive daily life, and grades also become so much lower because they are lazy to study. They avoiding study, chasing distraction. Like you can imagine anything bad to these schools from the students. And what about you guys? Are y'all think the same as me?
Yes. Yeah, I guess. But maybe if we get not so lazy, maybe we can listening to music while we study, right? Like do some activities.
Yeah, I do that.
Do you like listening to music?
Yeah.
What about you guys?
I like to listening to music too, and I sometimes exercise too when I got time or simply when I want it. But currently I don't exercise much again because I have work at home too, and I also chasing like events at games, but after events was done and I don't really get a lot of work again, maybe I will start exercise again.
Oh yeah, I feel you though. I feel like this year school's starting so much busier than the usual. So talking about music, what you guys' favorite genre?
I think pop
Pop. Oh,
and
pop.
jazz.
What your favorite music?
My favorite genre is R&B, and my favorite song is Best Part.
Best part. Okay, so positive daily life helps us feel happier and more confident. It improves our relationships with others. People enjoy being around positive individuals. Right? Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
What about you?
Yes, I be too.
Okay, so
Positive attitude also help us face a challenge better, become a more patient, calm, and motivated. When we live positively, we don't only make our life better, but we also spread positive to others.
yes. What about you, Gerald?
Maybe I could say the same like Marcel because when you live positively and people around you just afraid or negative, they start to they tend to see others that live positively and don't care about environment if it's bad for them. They will maybe start to copy the positive people's one. If the people were not affected by their negative surroundings, and it eventually will make the environment like people around that person will getting positive and start to implementing their positive daily life.
Yeah. So to conclude, a positive daily life starts from a simple things, from our thoughts, our words, and our action. We don't need a perfect life to be happy. So we just need a positive way to seeing life. Let us try to be more grateful, more kind, and more positive energy every day. Because a small positive change today can make a big difference in the future. So that's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention and stay healthy. Bye bye.
Thank you, guys.